For 1 minute.
Señor presidente. En relación con la posible prohibición de la pesca.
Can we ban the fishing of bluefin tuna in the Mediterranean? I think that legal fishing will be replaced by illegal fishing, and those who pay for it will be the fishermen. In Catalonia, hundreds of jobs are at stake. This is where we carry out legal fishing, regulated and controlled at all levels. Since 2006, in the Atlantic and the east of the Mediterranean, we have reduced bluefin tuna from 30,000 tonnes to 15,000, and the average size of fish has reduced, and we have 11 months when no fishing is carried out. I don't think that we should really talk about it being a threat of extinction. If we compare the figures, the population of bluefin tuna are now 15% higher. That is higher than what is mentioned in Appendix 1 of CITES.
Thank you. Madam Fraga Esteves. 1.5 minutes.
Thank you, President. I would also like to talk about commercial fish species and make it clear that it's the regional fisheries organizations that are already responsible for the management and